Henders? What's going on here? Billson, we're getting cut off. What? Why? Alfred. Alfred Pullman is the one that is doing this to us. I gotta help you guys. Billson, there's nothing you can do. Just run. But Henders, go. That Alfred Perlman! Once I find him, I'm gonna send him straight to his grave where he belongs! And those who disrespected me, they'll get what's coming to them! I think it might need a little bit of help of getting rid of them. How do you know that? Let's just say, I want to achieve the same goal as you do. We both have one thing in common. We are both alike. Who are you? The name's John Kramer. I think you would be a very perfect locomotive for me. So what do you say? Do you want to join me and take revenge on those that wronged you and to avenge your siblings? Besides, I know everything about the human body. And you know about steam locomotives. So what do you say, Billson? Are you willing to join me? When do we start, Jigsaw?